Do you have a Dyson that's doing this? This is what we call pulsating. Now, the pulsating means that airflow is restricted. It's been restricted somehow, either by a block filter or a blockage. Now, in this case, if you've cleaned your filter or you replaced it and it's still pulsating, this is how we fix it. What you want to do first, we're going to act like we're emptying the bin. We're going to pull this red button here, we're going to push it down. And then we're going to pull away from us. We're going to check if there's any blockages in here. No blockages. Push this lever down so we can click that back in, put it to the side. Next, we're going to search here. Now, if we look in here, we can clearly see there's some debris stuck within. As you can see, we want to grab a screwdriver and we want to try and kind of pry it all out. You can either go from the other side too, from in here, as you can see right there. I'm going to get my long screwdriver and I'm just going to kind of just pull it all out, like so. So someone's left their tooth in there, toothpick. We're gonna put our bin back on. See if that worked. So that worked perfectly. As you can see, this is all stuck inside. If for some reason it's still not working and you've replaced the filter and all that and there's no blockages there, then it might be a motor problem. Look, at the end of the day, if that is clear and your filter's new, there should be no blockages whatsoever. They're the only blockages, or it could be stuck inside internally. So, main things we want to look at in here and in here as well. Hope this helps.